Yes, it is raining today. Did I want it to rain? No. Is it? Yes. But are we going to let that ruin what I wanted to do today? No, because it's Saturday. It's my free time. I'm not at work. I work 40 hours a week, same as you probably. And this time is meant for us to do what we want to do. Don't let the rain stop you. Even if it's wet outside, even if it's not the nicest day, still go out and do what you have to do. If you can't change things, accept them. But we're still going to go outside, have a great time today, and do things we want to do. Because people are still working, man. People are still working. The world's still turning. Things still need to get done. And I don't even mean productive-wise. I mean, you still need to enjoy your Saturday. That is something that you need to get done on a Saturday. Just because it's raining doesn't mean you can't enjoy your Saturday. Doesn't mean sit inside and do nothing. Doesn't mean cancel all your plans. Why does getting wet mean you have to stop doing what you wanted to do? You'll see. All right, let's get into it. Hey, buddy. Oh, good boy. Yeah, today just has that vibe of I don't want to do anything, but I told myself we were going to go swimming because it was literally 90 degrees basically the entire week. And it's Saturday, and I needed to go swimming. But, it might not be the best day for it, but it's still a day for it. Because, dude, I need this. This is something I need. And the rain might make it cooler too, Like, we're so used to swimming on beautiful days, so why not swim on a rainy day? Because it is literally non-stop raining out here. Like, it's like depression. Straight depression. With like the raindrops coming down, the cinematic raindrops. Yeah, depression. We're not about that. We'll stick with our plans, 2025. We're not going back on our word anymore. We're sticking with plans, Whatever we do, whatever we say we're going to do, we stick with it. Because that's just how things are this year. I feel you probably feel the same way, Like you probably feel like it's 2025. I've been lying to myself for too long. I've been pulling back on certain things. Or maybe neglecting certain areas of your life. Especially your relationship with yourself. If you've lied to yourself or said you're going to do something and you don't do it, that means you don't have the best relationship with yourself. So let's try to keep our relationships with ourselves as tight as possible by keeping our word. And I said today was nice. I had a hot week. I want to go swimming. Even though it's raining and it's not the best, I still want to go swimming because my subconscious mind knows I mean what I say. So let's go do that. Oh my gosh, dude. So the rain has picked up probably tenfold since I started this video. So it started off as like a nice little, drizzle. Now it's just downpouring. So we're still going to do it though. We're still going to get out there. Let's get to it. This is literally bathwater. It's so warm. Yeah, that was like bath water. That was amazing. But this was a very simple example of I had a rough week at work. It was hot, and I said I was gonna swim on a Saturday, and the rain came, and I still swam on the Saturday. Stick to your plan, all right? If you have a plan and you want to do something, do it the day you say you're gonna do it, all right? This goes for anything. It goes for life, jobs, your business, your work, exercise, relationships. Just apply this to anything. I applied it to swimming because it's pretty easy to apply to swimming. But yeah, this is all this video is about. Just do what you gotta do. Don't waste your Saturday just because it's raining. So it's all about keeping your word with yourself in your head. This can go for anything. I know you have something that you've been putting off that you said you were gonna do, because we all have something like that. So whatever it is, just do it. If you said you were going to do it, get it done. Even if it's for your mental health, like this swim. This swimming really did nothing productive for my business or for my goals, but it helped me keep my word with myself, and it helped me enjoy my Saturday, which is what we're all supposed to do anyway. So keep your word with yourself. I know there's something that you have to do that you haven't been doing, so do that today, tomorrow. Do it soon, okay? But yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.